Maths. 3. The perimeter, area and volume. 3. The perimeter, area and volume. The perimeter. We have learned that the sum of all the sides of a figure is called the perimeter. A. The perimeter of the top of this table is 1.5 meters plus 1.2 meters plus 1.5 meters plus 1.2 meters is equal to 5.4 meters. So, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to L plus B plus L plus B is equal to 2L plus 2B is equal to 2 into L plus B. B. The perimeter of this picture is 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters is equal to 20 centimeters. All the sides of a square are equal. So perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side is equal to 4 into side. Formula for measuring the perimeter. We use formula to measure the perimeters of different figures. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. A. Aman walks round the field once. If the field is 45 meters long and 25 meters wide, then how much does he walk? We have the length and the breadth of the field. If Aman walks around the field once, he will cover the perimeter of the field. Perimeter of the field is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length of the field is equal to 45 meters. Breadth of the field is equal to 25 meters. Perimeter of the field is equal to 2 into 45 plus 25 meters is equal to 2 into 70 meters is equal to 140 meters. Therefore, Aman has to walk 140 meters. Teacher's tip. Tell the students to do more practice by finding perimeter, area and volume of the things that they see around them in the shape of a square, rectangle, cube or cuboid. B. Sudhir bought 440 meters of barbed wire to fence his garden in the shape of a square. How much is each side of the garden? If Sudhir has bought 440 meters of barbed wire, it means the perimeter of his garden is 440 meters. Now we know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Therefore, 440 meters is equal to 4 into side, or each side is equal to 440 meters divided by 4 is equal to 110 meters. Each side of the garden is equal to 110 meters. The perimeter of a triangle. The formula used to measure the perimeter of a triangle is as follows. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. C. Sumant has a triangle field as shown in the following figure. Find its perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 15 meters plus 19 meters plus 17 meters is equal to 51 meters. Exercise 1. Find the perimeter of these objects by adding the sides. 2. Find the perimeter of the following figures using formula. Three. Find the perimeter of the following triangles. Word problems. Solve the given problems. Draw a figure wherever necessary. Trick C. This shape is built by arranging squares of 1 cm side. Word problems. Solve the given problems. Draw a figure wherever necessary. The area. Area can be defined as the amount of surface covered by any figure or an object. The figures may be symmetrical or asymmetrical. A. There are 3 paintings on this wall. A, B, C. Find the area of each painting. Painting, length, breadth, area. A. 4 units, 3 units, 12 units. B. 5 units, 2 units, 10 units. C. 3 units, 5 units, 15 units. Do you find any relationship between the length, breadth and the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. B. A square is a special rectangle with equal length and breadth. Now look at the squares and fill in the columns. Figure, length, breadth, area. A. 3 units, 3 units, 9 square units. B. 4 units, 4 units, 16 square units. C. 5 units, 5 units, 25 square units. A, B, C. What relationship do you see between the length, breadth and area of a square? Area of a square is equal to side into side. A is equal to S into S. Formula for measuring the area. We use formulae to measure the area of different figures. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of square is equal to side into side. A. Side of a square park is 42 meters. Find its area. We know that area of a square is equal to side into side. Hence, area of the park is equal to 42 meters into 42 meters is equal to 1764 square meters. B. The area of a wall hanging is 28 square centimeters. Its breadth is 4 centimeters. Find its length. We know that in a rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth. Breadth of the rectangular wall hanging is equal to 4 centimeters. Area of the rectangular wall hanging is equal to 28 square centimeters. Area is equal to length into breadth. 28 square centimeters is equal to length into 4 centimeters. Therefore, length of the rectangular wall hanging is equal to 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7 centimeters. Exercise 1. Find the area of these figures. Write your answer in square units. Two. Find the area of the following shapes. Give your answer in square units. Three. Find the area of these paintings. Give your answer in square centimeters. 4. Find the area of the following rectangles. Five. Find the area of the following squares. 6. Area of some rectangles are given below, along with one of the sides. Fill in the blanks. Seven. Mr. Mohan wants to give his field to his two sons. If the length and breadth of the field is 75 meters and 45 meters, how much land does each son get? 8. Hari has a field 90 meters by 60 meters. He grows trees of guava, peach and plum in it in equal numbers. On how much area is guava grown? Area of a triangle. Cut a rectangle out of centimeter squared paper like this. A, B. What is the area of the rectangle? Square centimeter. What is the area of each triangle? Since triangle A is half the rectangle, its area will be half the area of the rectangle. So, the area of triangle A and also of B is equal to 20 square centimeters into 1 by 2 is equal to 10 square centimeters. Trick C. Find the areas of these shapes. You can break them into rectangles and triangles. What if the rectangle is cut like this? The area of the rectangle is 30 square units. If a triangle is cut out of it like this, what will be its area? To calculate the area of the triangle, we can look at the big rectangle as two smaller rectangles like this. 1, 2, 1. Rectangle 1 is equal to 20 square units. Triangle 1 is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 square units. 2. Rectangle 2 is equal to 10 square units. Triangle 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 square units. By combining the two rectangles together, rectangle 1 plus 2 is equal to 30 square units. Triangle 1 plus 2 is equal to 15 square units. Exercise 1. Find the area of the triangles. Two. Draw four-sided figure with the given areas. Two of their sides are drawn.
Oh no! Do it again.
Project. Areas of quadrilaterals. Let us find the area of PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram and it can be divided into three parts: triangle A, square B, and triangle C. If we cut triangle C and join it to triangle A, we get a rectangle. The original parallelogram and the new rectangle have the same area. Therefore, the area of a parallelogram is the same as the area of the rectangle or square into which it can be arranged. Area of a parallelogram is equal to length or breadth or base into height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to 2 into area of either triangle formed by the diagonal of the parallelogram. Area of combined figures. We sometimes see a figure made up of two or more geometric figures. In such cases, we divide the figure into squares, rectangles, and triangles, and then calculate the area of each figure, and finally add the areas of all small figures to get the area of the complete figure. Look at the example of a T-shaped figure shown alongside. We can make two rectangles A and B by drawing a dotted line. Now with the given measurements, we can find the areas of rectangles A and B and add them to find the total area of the given figure. Area of A is equal to 8 centimeters into 3 centimeters is equal to 24 square centimeters. Area of B is equal to 6 centimeters into 2 centimeters is equal to 12 square centimeters. Total area is equal to 24 square centimeters plus 12 square centimeters is equal to 36 square centimeters. Exercise 1. Find the area of a parallelogram with the following base and height. Two. Find the area of the given figures. Three. Find the area of each of the given figures. word problems. The volume of solids. A chalk stick making company sends 2 cartons to 2 different schools. The cartons contain square shaped boxes of chalk sticks. Look at the carton and decide which carton is bigger and has more chalk stick boxes. You cannot decide which carton contains more chalk stick boxes. Let us remove 2 sides of each carton and try to find out the number of boxes contained in them. X, Y. Carton X, carton Y. Carton X has 5 into 4 boxes in its first layer, and it has 2 such layers. So, the number of boxes in carton X is 5 into 4 into 2 is equal to 40 boxes. Carton Y has 6 into 4 boxes in its first layer, and this box has 2 such layers. So, the number of boxes in carton Y is 6 into 4 into 2 is equal to 48 boxes. So, we can say the carton Y is a big carton as it can hold more number of chalk stick boxes. In order to determine the volume of objects, we fill them up with cubes. We can choose one of the 3 kinds. 1 millimeter cube is about the size of a grain or sugar. A centimeter cube is about the size of a die. A meter cube is about the size of a very large microwave oven. Let us take a small tiffin box to find out its volume. Put 1 centimeter cubes to fit 1 layer and count them. There are 9 rows with 5 cubes in each row. So there are 9 into 5 is equal to 45 cubes in 1 layer. There are 6 layers of 45 cubes each. There are 270. 45 into 6. 1 centimeter cubes filling the box. Since the box can hold 270 1 centimeter cubes, the volume of the box is 270 cubic centimeters. The unit of measurement of volume is cubic centimeters and is written as cu.cm or cc. Volume of the aquarium is equal to 270 cubic centimeters. 1 millimeter cubes give the volume in cubic millimeters and is written as CUMM. 1 meter cubes give the volume in cubic meters and is written as CUM. Trick C. Find the total volume of the cubes that have been removed from the first figure to get the second figure. Calculating the volume using a formula. We have seen for each cube or cuboid, cubes per layer into number of layers is equal to volume. Cubes per layer, length into breadth. Number of layers, height is equal to volume. This can be used as a shortcut to calculate the volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. V is equal to L into B into H. Find the volume of the cuboid on the right. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. V is equal to 7 centimeters into 4 centimeters into 5 centimeters. B is equal to 140 cubic centimeters. Answer: volume of the cuboid is 140 cubic centimeters. Exercise 1. Use a ruler to measure the length, breadth and height of these objects to the nearest centimeter. Then calculate their volume. Find the volume of the following solids. A. One layer is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 cubes. 5 layers is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 cubes. 1 layer is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14 cubes. 2 layers is equal to 2 into 14 is equal to 28 cubes. C. Add the different layers. Layer 1 is equal to 5 cubes. Layer 2 is equal to 4 cubes. Layer 3 is equal to 3 cubes. Answer: volume is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 12 cubes. Exercise 1. Find the volume of each of these cuboids. Give your answer in cubic centimeters. Two. Find the volume of each of these solids. Give your answer in cubic centimeter. 3. Find the volume of the solids. 4. Find the volume of each of the following. Five. Fill in the blank in each row. Word problems. Project. Find the volume of a matchbox by measuring the sides to the nearest centimeter. Now take 20 matchboxes and arrange them as shown here. What is the volume of this tower? Now change the arrangement and then find the volume. What do you observe? Nets. Suniti gets a gift pack of 6 glasses. She opens the top cover and carefully removes the glasses. She then opens the box. The open shape is called a net. How many rectangles are there on this net of the gift box? These are the net of a cuboid. As a cube has 6 sides, so the net of a cube has 6 squares. This net can be folded back to make a cube. Drawing cubes and cuboids. Special dotted paper called isometric dot paper is used to draw solid shapes like cubes and cuboids. Different cubes and cuboids on the isometric dot paper are shown below. Trick C. Instead of playing with two separate dice, Sumit joins two dice using Fevicol as shown on the left in order to use it in the game. Find the total of all the sides of this dice. Remember, the opposite side of a dice adds up to 7. Exercise 1.7. 1. Which of these nets can be folded to make cubes? 2. Complete the following figures to make cuboids.